This template provides a pre-built Power BI file that empowers users to connect their company's data and unlock valuable insights for contract management.
The data can be analyzed across various dimensions, including suppliers, categories, contract numbers, and expenses.
This allows for effective control over contract expiration dates and expenditures, ultimately driving cost reduction and enhancing overall management efficiency.
You can navigate through the report's diverse pages to explore the data visualization. Note that the data represented in the model is fictional, but you can easily adapt it to reflect your company's actual data.
The visuals are suggested to showcase key indicators in the clearest possible way. By default, the elements are interactive, allowing for dynamic data exploration. Download your template and start exploring the data, discovering behaviors and trends that only BI analysis can provide.